After 3 rounds of voting in the Puzzle Tool Tournament, the community chose Codewords as the next puzzle tool to be added to a book creator. And now it's here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the new Codewords Puzzle Creator Tool to create professional Codewords puzzle books for print and interactive PDF formats. Let's jump in and take a look at how the new Codeword Puzzle Tool works. Our Codewords Puzzle Tool has all of the same options you'll find on all of our other puzzle tools. You want to start by setting your trim size and the number of answers per page. I'm going to leave that on 1. Set your number of puzzles. We have it limited to 100 puzzles for each Codeword PDF download. This is because it takes 20 to 30 seconds per puzzle, and with 100 puzzles it takes almost a half hour to generate your PDF, so we decided to limit it to 100. And if you want to do more than 100 in your book, you can change your puzzle starting number accordingly. So you could start with 101, for example, and do another 100. You can set your grid size anywhere between 11 and 21. We have 4 different difficulty levels to choose from: easy, medium, hard, and very hard. You can select whether to have your letters be in uppercase or lowercase, and you can also select the number of hint letters you would like to appear in your puzzle. You have all the normal settings for your fonts and your font sizes and where you want stuff to start and how far apart you want things to be. You also have color inputs for each item on your page. I'm going to change the color of my blank squares. And you can do the save and load. I have one set up already. I'm going to go ahead and load the settings that I like. And let's go ahead and do a refresh. So you can see that the grid size here determines the number of cells you have across and down. All of these puzzles are going to be square puzzles. And you'll find that the puzzles look better if you use an odd number for your grid size. We selected 2 hint letters, so you see the 2 hint letters here, as well as inside your puzzle wherever those 2 letters occur. And then on your answer page, you have the entire puzzle filled out. Let's give another example that shows you more answers on your answer page. Let's go ahead and do a refresh. And this just shows you an example where we have 4 answers per page. You could also do 2 answers per page if you want, just like we have on all of our other puzzle tools. And when you get everything just the way you want it, you can click on your download button. I'm going to change this to a smaller number since it takes a long time to generate 100 puzzles. And we're going to click on the download. Here's what our PDF looks like. We have each one of our puzzles, followed by all of the answer pages. You can also generate interactive PDFs for Kindle Scribe or other devices. I have a settings already stored for Kindle, so let's go ahead and load them. Let's do a refresh. So now when you download it, you will have an interactive PDF with all the links just like you would have with any of our other puzzles. And that's the new Codewords Puzzle Creator Tool. Thank you to everyone who voted during the Puzzle Tool Tournament and helped bring this tool to a book creator. And don't forget, Math Maze is officially next and already in development. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the release and future puzzle tool updates.